So let's very quickly talk about the risk assessment, because those people who are keen on risk assessment, you can see the standard matrix from ICAO Doc 9859, severity across the top, probability down the left. And as we saw, loss of control in flight is almost always catastrophic. The question is, where does it live on the probability scale? When we start looking at the definitions, you can see under improbable, very unlikely to occur, not known to have occurred. Not only is that false, not only has it occurred, it happens more than anything else in the industry. So let's go up to remote, unlikely to occur but possible, has occurred rarely 1 per 5 years. Well, we know it's at least that. In fact, it's arguably much more. But let's go ahead and jump in there and assume that our existing risk is right here. So I want to remind everybody of something when you're looking at risk analysis. These red squares that you see here are intolerable risk. And by ICAO definition, if you're in a situation of an intolerable risk, you need to cease the operation until it's mitigated. Now, when I talk about the industry perpetuating the threat of loss of control in flight, it is doing its very best to mitigate the risk right now, yet you're still in a red square. So you need to take action to mitigate it. Those orange squares are now, if you take a look down, you have the intolerable risk, you have a tolerable risk in the orange, as long as you have mitigation and management approval. But the one in the green is the acceptable risk area.